Morning. The new coronavirus strain reported in the UK kind of dampened markets, not just in the UK or Europe, but also globally. So US equities dropped sharply upon opening and then somehow managed to retrace most of their losses by the end of the session. European stocks, on the other hand, dropped even more as France and Belgium, Italy, the Netherlands closed their borders to the UK, but then indexes remained in the red at the close. Treasuries were bought en masse and then sold in this kind of early risk off and then late risk on sentiment. And then the dollar bounced and then retreated, experiencing a similar dynamic, of course. And then we saw that same but opposite move in the crypto space. So Bitcoin had an intraday drop of about 7.5%, only to then climb back up and closing just 2% down. So we're currently at 22,920. Of course, the dollar up, Bitcoin down, and then retracement is the thing to look at here. Alts, on the other hand, looked a bit more like European equities in a sense. They fell and then remained deep in the red at the end of the session. So Ethereum fell almost 4% on the day, currently just below the 620 support. Chainlink is down more than 4.5%, Polkadot down 5%, Litecoin is closing 7.5% down, and then Bitcoin Cash is currently 9.3% down. Needless to say that the Bitcoin dominance index has steadily reached elevated level. It's currently at 67.4, but it's worth noting that that level has actually acted as a support or resistance in the previous large moves, and so it might be the chance for a shift to occur or not if we pierce through even further. Naturally, the news that MicroStrategy purchased an additional 29,000 Bitcoin for a value of about 650 million US dollar is a thing that bolstered markets later in the session. And then markets were also gripped by the exchange between Michael Saylor and Elon Musk, where of course Michael Saylor is advocating for some allocation of Tesla's balance sheet to Bitcoin. So let's see if that ever happens or come to fruition. Just as a quick reminder towards the end, there's a massive option expiry due this Friday for about 2.3 billion US dollar worth, and the max paying point would be 19K. So interesting to see if large players will be pushing markets one way or the other, either to safeguard their own allocation or take advantage of that massive expiry that will happen and move probably markets one way or the other. That's it for me today. If you haven't done so yet, please like, please subscribe. It actually helps with the visibility, but also means you'll be updated when new videos come. And in the meantime, I wish you a great day and a great trading day.